It's indeed my privilege, pleasure, and honor to unveil the musical program of the evening. We have, of course, been waiting to hear Bombay Jayashree for a good part of the day. I would like to take a few minutes before I invite her on stage to speak about why is this evening so special. About a year ago, my wife Kavita Krishnamurthy, who runs the trust Kilikili, had this idea that, since many children on the autism spectrum are extremely musical, can we do something to use music to teach them other skills? Not really to make them musicians, the goal was not to make them musicians, but really to see, by using music, what can we do to them? And she got in touch with Bombay Jayashree, and they had many conversations, and then it was November last year when we had the first workshop which Jayashree and her students delivered for parents and children on the autism spectrum. Not the parents on the autism spectrum, but the children on the autism spectrum. So subsequently, one of her students, who is also on stage, Abhinaya, can you please, yeah. Abhinaya Ramesh has been coming to the Kilikili Center every fortnight from Chennai without missing a single session for the last 1 year. And she has been just presenting Carnatic classical music as taught to her by Bombay Jayashree. And it's been once a fortnight, 45-minute session with zero expectations of outcomes from children. I think Jayashree believed that our children have a right to just an aesthetic experience like any one of us have. So it was without any expectations, there were no goals set, there was nothing that we were tracking. But as the sessions progressed, we could see that the children were picking up not just music, but also some social skills. So without someone instructing them, we would find that they would begin clapping at the end of every song. And soon enough, we would find, 6 months later, we would find that the children could make a request for the song that they wanted, because Abhinaya would sing the same 6 songs over and over again, and that structure helped them to know what's coming. So each child would then, put forth his or her favorite, and Abhi would be only too happy to render it for them. And for us parents, whoever came to the sessions, it was a very transformational, moving experience to see music being presented to our children without any expectations, and yet making a difference to the children. And before I say anything more, I want you to listen to the voices of our children. Listen to their voices with awareness that these are children, some of whom have a great difficulty in articulation. They may not possess language skills as we know them, and yet they are motivated to sing. So, ladies and gentlemen, my little friends, boys and girls, for the next 5 minutes, I would request your hearts and your minds and your ears to listen to the voices of children on the autism spectrum, who are trying to spontaneously sing what they have imbibed through Abhinaya's sessions.
I'll give you the spray.
Govinda,
Govinda,
Govinda, Govinda. राधे ये गणेशामा राता माधव मंगलदावा राधे श्यामा ये गणेशामा राता माधव मंगलदावा अंदर अंदर गोविंदा नवनीत चोरा गोविंदा गोविंदा नारायणी नोपा गोविंदा नारायण गोविंदा 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 देजा माये
Nandu, come.
Nandu, a part one.
Nandu.
Very part.
See, Nandu. Let him figure. I will.
Ha, she'll do it, yeah.
Let him be himself. From a force pana he wants. Nandu.
Nandu, sing a song.
Nandu, can we sing Radhe Shama together, Nandu? Nandu.
You go out. We'll do it. You go.
Mouth, no, hands in the movement.
I'll hold his hands. See, Nandu. Radhe.
Cầu nào phải
Okay, Veeramarti will sing. Nandu, look here, Nandu. See, Nandu, can I sing Veeramarti?
Yamarati, that we am on today. We am on today. The pin on today. The tap on today. The tap on today. Tap on today. The tap on today. I'm a pasta baby. Pasta baby. Pasta baby.
Okay, two more to go. Over to our children to be
Then I
patient.
sing. Radhe Shama.
Radhe Shama.
Shama Adhava Bama Sundarada Govinda Harayala Govinda Harayala Govinda Govinda Shata Govinda Narayana Govinda Govinda Narayana Govinda Govinda Veeramarati, 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 Veeramarati. Vande Mataram.
Sing only Mataram.
Vande Mataram, Vande. Good. Continue. Sutaram. Mahashikara.
Sasya.
Sha. Mata. Mata. Hangara Shama. Okay, very good, Amol. Very good.
It's the wrong clip. Anand's voice is not there. We heard Siddharth in the morning, and believe me, ladies and gentlemen, if you felt moved by Siddharth's struggles and also his achievement, I know that what these children have just done has been as difficult for them to do as some of the battles that he has conquered. So I would like you to celebrate our children, 7 of them, with a big round of applause. So you have Anant, you have Divya, you have Amog, you have Kavin, you have Nikhil, Latika and Nandu, who have been part of this pilot project just for 9 months, and you could see the emerging musicality in them, and this was without an expectation that they produce an outcome. So, having said that, let's move on. Well, just before I stop, I just realized that there are 7 children here, and there are also 7 notes in music, and maybe there is a connection. And so, Sat Sur Sato Asma. So that's the power of music for all of you. I have now the privilege of also introducing Bombay Jayashree. May I invite you, Jayashree, to come on stage? I might as well divulge that we are related. I happen to be the cousin of Bombay Jayashree. She is my mother's sister's daughter, and my mother is here too. My guru, from whom I learned music, that is Bombay Jayashree's mother, is not here, but I'm sure she lives in Chennai, but she is here with us in this moment. Years and years ago, as a teenager, sometimes when my Periyamma, as we used to call her, she was too busy with handling multiple classes and all, she would tell Jayashree once in a while, "Chalo, tum aaj Ganesh ko sikha do." So had I known that one day she is going to be such a superstar, I might have taken those musical lessons more seriously, Jayashree. It's one of my regrets that, I didn't know what I had then. So today the whole world is running after her, and there she was all willing to teach me, and I would say, "Chal, band karte abhi, bas ho gaya." So, well, I must say a few words. I don't think Jayashree needs an introduction in terms of who she is in Carnatic classical music. But I do think this other part of her, the other facet of her, as a champion of the cause of autism, bears reiteration here. Jayashree has always made herself available for anything to do with music when it comes to supporting children with autism. And she has pioneered many such initiatives, one of them being that, without being trained, without knowing, can I handle the behavioral issues of children with autism, I don't think it deterred her 1 minute. She just told her students, Pavitra and Abhinaya are here right now, Aarti too is here, playing the violin. So she told them, that let's go and meet them and let's give them music and then see what happens. And believe me, ladies and gentlemen, I think, the children are all over the singers, when music is being presented. I mean, they seem to draw a lot of comfort. They seem to draw something, which we cannot quite articulate. So Jayashree has pioneered the work of teaching classical music to special children in many schools in Chennai through her students. And she has also done her bit to raise funds to promote education. She works with Brihadwani, the research institute in Chennai, where she is putting in place a curriculum for teaching music, teaching pure music to special children. So while her reputation and her superstardom as one of the top performing artists of Carnatic music is very apparent, this is one facet of her which needs celebration. So thank you, Jayashree, for all that you have done so far. And she was sitting there and telling me, "I will do whatever it takes. Give me 2 weeks notice. I will be here for anything you want me to do in relation to music, teaching music or music therapy. I am there, and we will take this forward." So thank you for that too, Jayashree. And today's concert is, I don't know whether concert is the most appropriate word, but I would say that, the performance, it's a mini version of her music that we are going to get to hear. It has a theme. I think she has tried to look at the world of children with autism through music. She is also trying to tell us something through her selection of songs. What getting in touch with these children, interacting with them, has taught her about music and about life itself.